Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload videos longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. First, you need to phone verification. Choose how you want the verification code to be delivered to you. Then, click here to select your country if it does not automatically show. And click here and type in your phone number. Now, click Get Code. Depending on the mode of verification you chose, you would either receive a phone call or an SMS with a 6-digit code. Type in the code here. Then, click Submit. In many instances of media consumption, shorter is usually better. However, research is finding that longer YouTube videos are actually ranking better than shorter videos. Dying are the days of short Vine videos, and coming are the days of 20 minutes plus videos. According to Statista, long-form video 20 plus minutes accounted for 54% of total videos consumption on smartphones in the first quarter of 2018, up from just 29% 2 years ago. The increase in length of video can be traced back to things like beauty tutorials and hacks that typically last around 45 minutes. YouTube is also rewarding users who create longer content because it means they can put in more advertisements, and this means that they are making more money. Most creators are trying to create videos that last around 20 minutes. If you are wondering how to upload long videos on YouTube, you have come to the right place. Once you make a YouTube account, you are able to automatically upload videos of up to 15 minutes. You need to become verified in order to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes. Here's how to do it. Go to the YouTube app, click on the Create button at the bottom of the screen or the plus icon. Now, click on Upload a video. Click on Record or pick a video longer than 15 minutes. And then, pick a title for your video. Write the description. Figure out your settings. And then click Next. You will then follow the steps to verify your account. You can get your verified code through a text message or a phone call. After that, click Upload. A basic YouTube account will allow you to upload videos up to 15 minutes long. However, if you wish to upload a video longer than that, you will have to go through the YouTube verification process. The process varies slightly between a desktop computer, Android, and iPhone or iPad. But none of the processes are that difficult. It will benefit you to create longer videos because YouTube tends to promote longer videos because they can put more advertisements in them. It is much more likely your video will be organically found if it is longer than 15 minutes. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.